Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today we are going to be making a super easy, super cheap, super good vegan chili. We are going to be using the Instant Pot to make it today using the slow cooker function, but you can definitely do this same recipe in a slow cooker. So if you don't have an Instant Pot, don't worry. You can still make it in a slow cooker as well. All right, so let's just go through the ingredients and see what we'll be cooking with today. So this one, the first one is actually just the beefless vegan ground beef, but this is an option. You don't have to put this in if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. This is totally an option. You'll need 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, some chili powder, and we've got 1 can of diced tomatoes, a can of black beans, and we love mushrooms, so we're putting in 3 cans of the sliced mushrooms, 1 large can of tomato sauce, 2 cans of the peaches and cream corn, but you can use any type of canned corn, and 2 cans of the dark red kidney beans. So that's all the ingredients that you'll need, and as you can see, actually, all of this stuff that I bought, I purchased at Walmart, so it's all super cheap. Like the diced tomatoes were, I think, 80 cents a can. The tomato sauce was $1. So let's get started. If you are using the beefless ground beef, make sure you fry that up before you stick it in the Instant Pot, all right? So next you're gonna want to dice up your peppers, your red pepper and your green pepper, and have them ready. So next we're gonna turn on the Instant Pot and put it on the saute function because we're actually going to add some canola oil. And we're gonna saute those peppers for approximately about 5 minutes. Oil and our peppers. So like I said, we'll saute that for about 5 minutes. Okay, so that's been about 5 minutes now, so our bell peppers are ready to go. So we're gonna start adding all of our canned items now. So first off, we've got the 2 cans of corn that we're going to be adding in. Next, we're going to be adding in the 3 cans of mushrooms. So that's the 3 cans of mushrooms. Okay, so now we're going to be adding in our 2 cans of the red kidney beans, and those we've drained. And then next is our can of black beans that have already been drained as well. Next we're adding in our can of tomatoes, and that you want to keep the liquid in that one, so just dump the whole can in there. And we're going to add now our can of tomato sauce. All right, and now we're going to give that all a good mix together. Make sure that's all nice and combined and give that a really good mix. Looks good already. And we're going to finally add in our meat. And once again, this was optional. So if you want to add that in, you would add that in. If not, you can just leave it with the beans and all the vegetables. Okay, so give that a good mixing all together. And now we're gonna add our seasonings. So we're gonna add some Himalayan salt. Some pepper. And finally, 2 tablespoons of the chili powder. And now that you can, obviously you can put as much or as little as you want, depending on how spicy you want it. So we like it with a little bit of a kick. So we're adding in 2 tablespoons, but you can definitely just do 1 tablespoon if you wanted to. And now we're going to give it another good stir. Doesn't that look amazing? It's not even done cooking yet. Look at all the colors. This is amazing. This is perfect for Super Bowl Sunday coming up. An awesome vegan chili for that. It's awesome for any time of the year. We love to do this actually when we go camping. This is actually a bigger Instapot. This is the 8-quart, but we like to take the smaller 6-quart with us and just do a smaller batch of chili, and it's so easy. You know, just to throw all the ingredients in and just let it sit, and we can go out, we can go for hikes, and we can do stuff and come back and the chili is ready for us. So you can make this any time of the year. Okay, so once that's all stirred up, we're gonna put the lid on. So we're gonna cancel the saute function. Then you wanna hit the slow cook function, and we're gonna go for, we're gonna go for 4 hours and 30 minutes. And make sure that you've got the venting on there. All right, for the slow cook function. And yeah, and that is it. So we're gonna let that slow cook for 4.5 hours, and then we'll check back and see how it's doing. It should be ready to go. And yeah, so go about your day, go watch a movie, go watch Netflix, watch YouTube, whatever you want to do, and we'll check back in 4.5 hours. Okay, so it's been 4.5 hours and the chili is done. Doesn't that look amazing? Super healthy, super good, super easy, and super cheap. So this is the finished product and it smells amazing. I've added some vegan cheddar cheese, the Daiya cheddar cheese on top, and a little bit of vegan sour cream as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.